Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Lago YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how I made this picture. Not picture, how I made this Just Chill font, aesthetic font. I think for me this is aesthetic. Okay. Actually, yesterday I went to some trip. In the trip, I clicked this picture. Wait a minute, guys. As it was my solo travel to Kerala, it's a God's own country. Yeah, this is the picture, guys. Then I used Pixel app. Yeah, this one. Okay, sorry. What did I do with this one? Selecting and delete. By clicking plus icon, we can choose text. Now I'm moving text to center. Double tap to edit. Now I am going to add just fully capital. Yeah, that's it. Below the provided option A, if you click that A means you can able to change font size, font color. I'm going to choose font color. I want green color. Where is green color? Yeah, this one. Okay, now I'm going to choose font. Yeah, for this one I'm going to use this Abril for the regular. Yeah, this one is totally fine. Yeah, just next I'm going to I want to add chill, so I'm again clicking text. Now text, I'm moving here and expanded. Double tap to edit. Now chill. Yeah, that's it. I want to place it here. I want to change the font, so no font. If I scroll down means Pixel app provide a lot of font. I'm going to choose this second one. Allura Allura, I think so. Yeah, just chill. See, there is no, I can't able to see the white text, so I'm going to add shadow. I think it's too much shadow. Yeah, like this is fine, guys. Now I'm going to save this as PNG. Yeah, save to gallery. Oh my god, I got add. I saved PNG only. Now I want to open this on. Let's go to Instagram. Now I'm going to choose that pic. Sorry guys, my phone was problem, that's why scroll problem. Where is that pic? Yeah, here. See guys, that's it. Now I'm going to add new photo. Yeah, this one. That's it guys. Now I can able to save this picture on local. By this way only I edited that picture like this, guys. Okay, if you want more tech related and aesthetic font ideas, stay tuned our YouTube channel. I hope this day was good day. Let's start our tech journey. Bye guys.